Assalamualaikum students. Today we will discuss neurulation. Neurulation is a process of during which nervous system means brain and spinal cord they are formed by the ectodermal cells and student this process like the formation of organs and systems during embryonic development is called as what organogenesis, and the first major event in organogenesis is what neurulation. Student, during this, the differentiation of ectoderm that occurs into brain and spinal cord, and it starts from day 18 and ends up to 28th day of the development. So you can say that it starts from the first month of the development. Student, as you know that there are three germinal layers which are formed during gastrulation. Outermost is called as ectoderm, middle one is called as what mesoderm, and innermost is called as what endoderm. So mainly ectoderm that is involved in the formation of what nervous system. Students in the ectodermal layer, middle cells they get thick and forming a structure or a plate which is called as what neural plate, and its borders they are called as what neural crest cells or neural crest. So central cells of the neural plate they start migrating inward or downward. As a result a depression it develops which is called as what neural groove, and on the either side of the neural groove two folds they develop which are called as what neural folds. These folds they start migrating towards each other and are closer to each other, and as a result they meet and fuse to form a structure which is called as what neural fold. Neural tube. This neural tube its anterior end it forms brain, while its rest of the part that forms what spinal cord. Now a student, you know this is the layer which is present under the ectodermal layer, and you know mesodermal cells, and mesodermal cells they are involved in the formation of notochord which later on forms what vertebral column, and these are also what mesodermal cells which can make what coelomic cavity or some other parts. Now neural crest cells they start migrating inward and they form different organs, but you know at the end of the first month of the development all three vesicles which are forebrain, hindbrain and midbrain they get developed or they are quite obvious, and by the end of the second month all brain flexures they are evident. Means what are flexures? Flexures are actually folds or bend which are present in the different areas of the embryo. One of the flexure that is present in the caudal area, the other one that is present in that of the cranial area or cranial flexure, and the third one is called as what cephalic flexure. Cranial flexure that is present in the midbrain region, and cephalic flexure that is present between the brain and that of the spinal cord. Now these neural crest cells they start migrating. Student and motor nerves they develop directly from the brain and spinal cord, while origin of the sensory nerves that is a bit different. The neural crest cells which is developed in the region of the neural plate border, these neural plate border, and so they develop what they develop sensory cells. So once closure of neural tube it occurs, then these neural crest cells they migrate widely, and they are involved in the formation of cranial, spinal and sympathetic ganglia. Student, ganglia is what that is group of cell bodies of different nerves and associated nerves. Neural crest cells migrate to various parts of the embryo afterwards, and they are involved in the formation of peripheral nervous system and our peripheral nerves, medulla of the adrenal gland, and you know adrenal gland that is present above the kidney, teeth, and plus skull bones, and so many other different organs or parts they are made up by what by neural crest cells. So they migrate so rapidly that some scientists they consider it as fourth germ layer. Okay, so this is all about what? All about neurulation. Thank you, students.